Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Myers, you referenced in your testimony the widespread use of smart devices these days. With the ever-expanding ability of crowdsourcing as a tool, such with the success of the traffic app Waze, do you see this being applied to weather reporting in any way?
Yes, absolutely it will be. The collection of information through crowdsourcing, through vehicle sensors and a whole host of other things is an important area. It's one that we have worked in extensively. In fact, we had one of the first patents having to do with the collection and reporting of severe weather through mobile devices, which, interesting, by the way, for the committee, we licensed for free to the National Weather Service because they were using that capability, and we felt it was so important. You know, people talk about the private sector, but if you look at the company mission for AccuWeather, it starts out to protect lives and property, not to make a profit. Not that we don't want to make a profit, but that and it's our mission statement. Yes, it is. In fact, if you look at ours and the weather services next to each other, you have a very hard time distinguishing the difference. I think that's true of most of the people that are in this field. They feel a strong obligation to the public to do these things, and constantly looking for ways to improve by using this kind of information.
And because we're limited in time, I'll just ask Mr. Block if he would like to add to that.
Well, I certainly agree with a lot of the things that Barry is saying. In fact, my company serves over 1,000 public emergency managers with the systems and our capabilities, and a lot of that information comes from NOAA, but it's our systems that are actually the means of dissemination. So for Schneider Electric, it's very important that we continue to work closely with NOAA and make sure that we're not in a competitive situation, but in a cooperative one.
Yield back, Mr. Chairman.
Gentleman yields